श्री गुरु चरण सरोज रज निज मन मुकुर सुधार बरणौ रघुवर बिमल यश जो दायक फल चार बुद्धिहीन तनु जानिके सुमिरौ पवन कुमार बल बुद्धि विद्या देहु मोहि हरहु कलेश विकार जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपीस तिहु लोक उजागर रामदूत अतुलित बलधामा अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत नामा महाधीर विक्रम बजरंगी कुमति निवार सुमति के संगी कंचन बरण विराज सुबेश कानन कुंडल कुंचित केशा हाथ भद्र औध्वजा विराज कांधे मूंज जनेऊ साज शंकर सुवन केसरी नंदन तेज प्रताप महाजगवंदन विद्यावान गुणी अति चातुर राम काज करिबे को आतुर प्रभु चरित्र सुनिबे को रसिया राम लखन सीता मन बसिया राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की सूक्ष्म रूप धरि सियहि दिखावा विकट रूप धरि लंक जरावा भीम रूप धरि असुर संहारे रामचंद्र के काज संवारे लाय संजीवन लखन जियाए श्री रघुवीर हरषि उर लाए रघुपति कीन्ही बहुत बड़ाई तुम मम सिद्ध जगत उजियारा साधु संत के तुम रखवारे असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे अष्ट सिद्धि नवनिधि के दाता असवर दीन जानकी माता राम रसायन तुम्हारे पासा सदा रहो रघुपति के दासा अष्ट सिद्धि नवनिधि के दाता असवर दीन जानकी माता राम रसायन तुम्हारे पासा सदा रहो रघुपति के दासा राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की राम
Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the evening session. Before we start, just wanted to confirm if you can hear us, because I just got a message saying Sujata cannot hear us. So if you can hear us, please let me know. So we can start. I'll just adjust camera as well, little bit downwards. That's all right. That's all good. I can see and hear now. Very good. Thank you so much for joining today in today's evening session. First of all, today I would like to thank you, every one of you, for joining. Also, beautiful messages. Sometimes I get so beautiful messages. I cannot even describe when I get those kind of messages, kind messages. Things like, stay blessed, sir, we love you, sir. Or things like, one message I got yesterday saying, how you doing? You are so busy taking care of us, but I hope you are also doing well. Please take rest. All kind of messages. That just tells me how much people also love me, and many are there who feel the same way, but they are not able to express. But believe me, I understand, and that unconditional love is all we need in this world. Rest, everything can be earned, but earning the love of people is something invaluable. I always cherish that love from your side. I don't need anything from anyone. but I get so much love and affection from everyone. That is what Mita Wellness is all about. So I just wanted to give special thanks to every one of you. Those are well wishers and really feel the connection with what we do. Now, today's session we are going to start with the Kriya. We'll do pranayam, then we will do meditation, and last 10 minutes I have kept for some question which came yesterday. The question came, one question was, what is the aim of life, by Parag, and then one question had come regarding death. Why do we fear death? It's a natural phenomena, then why do we fear death? So we will not spend, each topic needs 1 hour, but we only have 10 minutes. So I will try to do justice with whatever time we have, but these are the big topics. But we'll touch based on the crux of it, core of it, why this question comes, and then we'll have a beautiful bhajan. So let's get into the session. We don't have much time, so we start with the session. And keep your back straight, your hands on your. Now, those who are new, first time joining, please remember that you are at home and there will be disturbance. So meditation is not something you do in the jungle. You have to do at home. No matter what big disturbance there is, all you have to do is accept everything. Even your kid comes and sit on your shoulder, still you continue. Create no resistance. Say, this moment I am accepting as it is. Okay. Close your eyes. Take long and deep breath in. Slowly, slowly let it go. Take long and deep breath in. Slowly, slowly let it go. Take long and deep breath in. Slowly, slowly let it go. Take long and deep breath in. Slowly, slowly let it go. Now complete attention in the present moment. We will try to anchor our mind into present moment as we learned in last 2 sessions. So whatever we do, we will feel it. Okay. So with next long deep breath in, we'll chant Am 3 times. How do we chant Am? We open. Just look at me first, then you do. So we open our mouth like this. So just by saying ah and slowly, slowly closing your mouth, once it is fully closed, keep teeth on teeth. So the vibration goes into the body. You will see magically, only by saying ah and closing your mouth, you will see Om sound without turning your tongue. Usually all the words are made by tongue compressing air into your mouth. Without tongue you cannot speak. There is only one word you can say without tongue, that is word of Om. And how do we do that? Like this. That's the only cosmic sound from which all the words have been made. That this sound doesn't need even the tongue. Now take long and deep breath in. And big ah. Take long and deep breath in. Take long and deep breath in. Keep your eyes closed. Now 3 to 4 long and deep breath in. Take long and deep breath in. Slowly, slowly let it go. Take long and deep breath in. Slowly, slowly let it go. Very good. Take long and deep breath in. Slowly, slowly let it go. Take long and deep breath in. Slowly, slowly let it go. We start with the short Kriya. Keep in Ardha Padmasana. If you can sit in full Padmasana, you can sit in Ardha Padmasana, back straight. Now whatever you do, make sure that your mind is in that action. So if you turn your head like this, feel the turn. If you know the positions, do it with your eyes closed. But if you are joining first time, do look at me, but feel whatever happening around you. So we want to anchor our mind and body at one place, like we learned in last 2 sessions, that every time our body is here, mind is somewhere else. Where our mind is, our body is not there. Where our body is, mind is not there. So we learn this technique of keeping our mind and body at one place in this present moment. Okay. Turn your head towards left. Feel the movement of your head turning. Take it to left as much as possible. Then slowly, slowly take your hand onto your cheek. Press your cheek onto the palm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly, slowly coming down. Feel the hand going down. Feel the neck going right. Make sure you feeling everything. That way we are anchoring our mind on our movements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly, slowly. Feel the hand touch, heat, hand going down. Feel the movement of neck. Feel the hand coming up. Feel the touch of palm on your forehead. Press your forehead onto your palm. 1, 2, 3, 4. Agna Chakra. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now behind your back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly, slowly coming down. Alright. So do it with your full feeling of your hand movement and your neck movement. Everything we have to feel. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly, slowly hand going down. Now towards your right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again slowly, slowly coming down. Now front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly, slowly coming down. Again going back. 1, 2, 3, smile. 4, 5, 6, 7. Feel the stretch. 8, 9, 10. Very good. Now hand coming down. Feel the hand. Now go down to chin and go half circle up. Feel the stretch. Going back up, going down, going back up, going up, then back, feel while you are doing it. Anchor your mind and body in the present moment. Very good. Now both the hands on your knee, making a circle like this with your shoulder and on your knee. And feel the touch of your hand onto your knee. Feel the shoulder blade touching each other. Trying to relax your shoulders and keeping whole attention into the touch of body parts and the movement of body, anchoring mind into the present moment. Opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we will do Anahata Chakra, Heart Chakra. This is one of the chakra which gives us lot of trouble because we have closed our heart for everyone due to all our experiences and the hurt which have been given to us or which we have acquired because we did not understand how to interpret situations and things. So it's better that we open our heart again and become child again so that energy can flow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite. Go opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Push as much as possible and feel the stretch. Very good. Come back. Now we'll go to knees. Here, Manipura Chakra. Go down. Come back. Go down. Come back. Again go down. Come back. Go down. Come back. Go down. Come back. Again go down. Come back. Go down. Come back. Go down. Come back. Go down. Feel the stretch 1 inch above your navel. Very good. Now we'll do full circle, full round circle. Knee, floor, right knee, then go back as much as possible. Again down. Again going back as much as possible. Again going down. Again going up. Again going down. Again going up. Again going down. Now opposite. Going up. Going down. Going up. Feel the stretch. Feel the rotation. Very good. Now we are going to do for Swadhisthana Chakra. Open your leg, left leg, right leg here, and press your knee to your chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Smile. 10. Very good. Now, this is for Swadhisthana Chakra. You know the chakra deals in the pleasure. The people blocked by guilt. People seeking pleasure all the time. This is for them. Even after having full meal, they want something sweet to eat. Pleasure seeking personalities. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Now we'll do Shishupalasana. Rocking baby pose. I hope most of you can do like this now and hold your baby to your chest and you can love your baby. That much I hope flexibility everyone is experiencing. 1, 2. So when we started a month back, this is I think our 4th week, and that time and today, what is the difference you are feeling in your flexibility, in your overall being, in your overall life? Because all our programs are like this. If they are not bringing any joy in your life, there is no point wasting your time with our programs. Our programs are aimed at improving day-to-day life. We don't want miracle. We want to improve day-to-day life. That our thought goes up or down, the blissfulness becomes more, happiness, and we enjoy what nature has given us. Kiss your baby. Very good. Now opposite. Opposite leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Smile. 7, 8, 9. Kiss your baby. Very good. Sometimes you may be able to experience lot of flexibility. Sometimes you might find it difficult that yesterday you could do but today you couldn't do. That's only because today you had so many thoughts. The more thought you become, more stiffness comes in the body. Okay? The less thought, body becomes very light. Now this is Titli Asana, which is also called butterfly pose. Up, 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 more up. That's number 1 position. Go down, 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 down. Try to touch as much as possible. That's number 2. Now between number 1 and 2, we fly. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Very good. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Very good. Very good. Now, just relax your leg little bit like this. There is no break today. So, but if you want, you can take. If you want to walk, just walk. Now, what we are going to do? We are going to do pranayam. And after pranayam, we will do meditation. Okay? So, if you just want to get up and have 1 or 2 rounds, we are online here. Just one minute. Just stand up and make 2 walks. If you want to sit on couch or chair, that's also okay. Just make sure that when you are sitting, your back is straight. Be comfortable. The first thing is that we want to be comfortable. But at the same time, we don't want to sleep. So don't lie down. You can sit anywhere. Keep your back erect. Just take 1 or 2 rounds if you want, so that your legs are not sore. I'll wait for you for 1 or 2 minutes. Will not take break today. Just get up, have 2 rounds and come back. If you want to sit on chair, sit on chair. If you want to sit on couch, no worries. More important is that we do with easiness, smileness, smiling, creating no resistance. This is what we teach here. So be very comfortable. There is no rules and regulation as such. Just you creating no resistance and anchoring your mind and body in present moment. That's the only requirement we have. Rest everything will follow. Alright? Okay. We start now. Now we will first start with the Bhamri Pranayam. Bhamri Pranayam brings your mind immediately to the present moment. How do we do Bhamri Pranayam? Our thumb tightly sealed into our ear and then forefinger onto the eyes, gently press with the finger into the ear. Just watch me before you do it, because once you put a finger inside your ear, you can't hear me. So once you put your finger inside your ear, pressing hard, gently keep your forefinger onto your eyes. Now we have to take long and deep breath in and chant Am without opening your mouth, like this. Take long and deep breath in. And then you have to feel the vibration inside your body. Okay, now you can start 3 to 4 times. Take long and deep breath in. 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 Slowly remove your hand. Keep your back straight. Neck little bit tilted up. Be as still as possible. With my counting, take breathe in, then hold, then exhale, then hold. Counting pranayam, start. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold. Breathe out. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Long and deep breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold. Breathe out. 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Become aware of all the thoughts going in your mind. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold. Breathe out. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is the empty lung position. Now feel your lung. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold. This is the full lung. Holding with full lung of air. Breathe out. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. hold. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold. Breathe out. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold. Breathe out. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Relax with your back straight. Try to listen to the silence surrounding you. Become aware of any thoughts coming into your mind without judging them, without labeling them, without saying good or bad. Just become watchful what is going in my head, what is going in my body. Just watch your mind and body as a third person. When we create a distance between our mind and body, we are on the path of self-discovery, and you can see that this mind and body are merely instrument given to us to use. Bhastrika Pranayam, both the hands beside your shoulder. Breathe in only by nose, not by mouth. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, out, in, out. Keep doing in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Breathe in, out, 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 in, out. Give your 100%. In, out. Oxygen in, carbon dioxide out. In, out, in, out, in, out, in. Relax. Keep your palm on your lap, open to sky. Feel the sensation on your palm. One more time. Breathe in, out, 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 in, out. Relax. Bring your attention to your palm on the present moment. Anchor your mind to present moment. Feel the silence. Take your attention to your ear and try to feel and hear the silence. Become aware of your thoughts. Watch them, but don't judge them or label them. Just see what is going on in our mind, what is going in my mind, what is going in my body. Just become aware. One more time again. Breathe in, out, 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 in, in, out, 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 out, in, 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 out. Relax. Eyes closed. Feel the silence surrounding. If you want, you may dim down the lights. If you want, you can sit on chair. If you want, you can sit on couch. Very easily. Create no resistance. Keep your back straight. If you wear glasses, remove your glasses. We don't need glasses while doing meditation. Just sit in relaxed position. If you can, switch off the lights. Create no resistance for any disturbance. If your kids are making, even if they come and sit on your shoulder, that's also okay. Create no resistance at all. Giving 100%. Take your entire attention to your nostril. At the entrance of the nostril, and become aware of the incoming breath. Become aware of the outgoing breath. Try to be still as much as possible. Try to be still as much as possible. सारा ध्यान अपनी नासिकाओं पर, एट द एंट्रेंस ऑफ योर नोस्ट्रल. एक एक सांस को जानना है, उसे बदलने की कोशिश नहीं करनी है. बिकम अवेयर ऑफ एवरी इनकमिंग ब्रेथ, एवरी आउटगोइंग ब्रेथ. Very easy and very simple. Just sit with your back straight, neck little bit tilted upwards. Natural attention between two eyebrows. Watching every breath coming in, going out, coming in, going out. When you watch your breath, you will notice that breath is coming from the right nostril. Some of you might notice the breath is coming from left nostril. Some of you might notice the breath is coming from both the nostrils. जानते रहें, बदलने की कोशिश ना करें. Breath is coming in, coming in, coming in. Breath is going out, going out, going out. बस यही जानना है. सांस लंबा है तो लंबा है, सांस छोटा है तो छोटा है. इसे बदलने की कोशिश ना करें, बस जानते रहे. सांस आ रहा है, सांस जा रहा है, बस यही जानना है. If your breath is long, let it be long. If it is short, let it be short. Don't try to change it. Just become aware. If it is long, let it be long. If it is short, let it be short. Don't try to change it. If mind wanders away, bring it back at the entrance of nostril. On the very small area on the upper lip, below the nostril, feel the flow of breath. Breath is going in, going in, going in. Breath is coming out, coming out. Feel the touch of your breath on your upper lip. Very alert, very diligent. जानते रहे, एक एक सांस का आना, एक एक सांस का जाना, बस जानते रहे. शुरुआत से लेके अंत तक, अंत से लेके शुरुआत तक बस यही जानना है, ब्रेथ इज कमिंग इन, कमिंग इन, कमिंग इन, ब्रेथ इज गोइंग आउट, गोइंग आउट, गोइंग आउट, बस यही जानना है। मन भटक जाए तो वापस उसे सांसों पर ले आए। डोंट क्रिएट एनी रेजिस्टेंस। इफ माइंड वंडर्स अवे, ब्रिंग इट बैक and start again. Some of you might notice that breath is coming from right nostril. Some of you might notice that breath is coming from left nostril. Don't try to change it. बस जानते रहें, breath is coming in, coming in, coming in. Breath is going out, going out. बस जानते रहे, उसे बदलने की कोशिश ना करें। Very alert, very diligent. Now take your attention onto your forehead. Become aware of any sensation on your forehead. Scan your forehead for any kind of sensation. From right to left, left to right. सारा ध्यान अपने माथे पर ले जाते हुए माथे पर होने वाली संवेदनाओं को जाने। Some of you might feel dry on your forehead. Some of you might feel wet on your forehead. Some of you might feel itching on your forehead. Some of you might feel tingling on your forehead. But don't try to change anything. Just become witness that every sensation has only one nature, that is impermanent, impermanent, impermanent. Without you creating any aversion or craving, they are bound to go. बस यही जानना है, खुद के अनुभव पर जानना है, that every pleasant or unpleasant sensation have only one thing in common, that is impermanence. It will come and it will go on its own. You don't have to create any emotions towards it. Neither craving nor aversion, बस जानते रहें what is going on my forehead right now. Scan your entire forehead from right to left, left to right for any kind of sensation without trying to change sensation, trying to watch the nature of sensation. बस यही जानना है। Again take your attention back to your nostril and to your breath. सांस का आना जाना जानते रहें। शब्दों के जंगल में तू क्यों फंसा है रे। शब्दों के जंगल में तू क्यों फंसा है रे। पर ब्रह्म के रस से तेरा नस नस रमा है रे। पर ब्रह्म के रस से तेरा नस नस रमा है रे। शब्दों के जंगल में तू क्यों फंसा है रे। पर ब्रह्म के रस से तेरा नस नस रमा है रे। आनंद तू ही परमानंद तू ही। आनंद तू ही परमानंद तू ही। ओम में रम कर ओम में खो कर ओम में मिलना है। शब्दों के जंगल में तू क्यों फंसा है रे। पर ब्रह्म के रस से तेरा नस नस रमा है रे। पर ब्रह्म के रस से तेरा नस नस रमा है रे। मान अपमान होता कहाँ रे। मान अपमान होता कहाँ रे। ये तो है शब्दों की पकड़। ये तो है शब्दों की पकड़। भले बुरे शब्द तुझे हिला दे। इतना नहीं तू है कमजोर। इतना नहीं तू है कमजोर। ओम में रम कर ओम में खो कर ओम में मिलना है। शब्दों के जंगल में तू क्यों फंसा है रे। पर ब्रह्म के रस से तेरा नस नस रमा है रे। पर ब्रह्म के रस से तेरा नस नस रमा है रे। पर ब्रह्म के रस से तेरा नस नस रमा है रे। पर ब्रह्म के रस से तेरा नस नस रमा है रे। Take long and deep breath in. Take long and deep breath out. Take long and deep breath in. Take long and deep breath out. Whenever you feel blissful, complete and peaceful, you may open your eyes. Yesterday, while doing session, we got two questions. First question was, what is the aim of life? And the second question was, why do we fear death? What is death? Or why do we fear death? Both of the questions are very deep and cannot be explained in 10 minutes time. Each question will need 1 hour to explain. But we don't want to go into the depth because we want something to understand in a very simple term, very simply. So first question, what is the aim of life? There is no simple answer to it because simple answer, your mind can't take it. First of all, I need to ask myself, do I actually know the life? Before I ask this question, what is the aim of life? So do I know what is my life is? In today's time, what you call is life is not your life. You call your life to your life situations. There is a big difference what life is and what life situations are. Right now, when everything is going well, when your job is going well, when you got your house sorted out, when you got your kids, everything sorted out, you say my life is good. No, your life is not good. Your life situation is good. What is life situation? Anything outside this body is life situation. Your wife, your house, your kids, your job, anything which is out of you is life situation. And what is inside you is life. Right now, you are sitting with me, breathing. The breath is going in, breath is coming out, breath is going out, is coming in. Life is inside this body. That has nothing to do with life situations. But we misunderstood that my life situation, something goes wrong in your life situations because life situations keep changing. Anything goes wrong with your job, anything goes wrong in your family, anything you wrong, you say my life is bad. My husband is not good, my wife is not good, my boss is not good. You say that my life is not good. But that's not the life. Those are life situations. And the life situation keeps changing. Life is inside this body. Now once I know what is life, first of all I don't know what is life. So how will I know what is the aim of life? My life situation can have aims. My job can have aims that I want promotions. My kids can have aim that my kids want to become engineer. My wife can have an aim to do this, to build house or to do that. So life situation always have aims to reach someone. What does this life have aim? Why this life is inside this body? What is the aim of the life which is inside this body? Aims are always given by your mind, and we know that we are not the mind. Mind is just a accumulation of data. We know that we are not this body. Body is just an accumulation of food. So what is the aim of our life? My question is not what is the aim of my life situations. This earth is there from millions of years. There were millions of people like you and me came and gone. Everybody thought that I have some higher purpose to achieve in my life. Now we don't even know where their grave is. Many big people from Sikandar, big short people came in this earth and they say, what is the purpose of my life? What can I do? Why I am born? They were all talking about their aim, their life situation, not life. So we need to understand why this life has acquired this body. What is the purpose of this body? Life is not something which is calculation 2 plus 2 4. It is a dance, it is a celebration. It's not a mathematical calculation. So what can be the aim of life? Aim of your life situation can be many things, to achieve this, to achieve that, to reach to that state or reach to that heights. But aim of this life inside this body is just to experience why it has acquired this body, why it has come on this earth, to experience. This cosmic energy inside this body wants to experience this planet called Earth. It wants to see the dance of seasons. It wants to touch the river. It wants to wander into the forest. It wants to experience all kind of things which is there on this earth. That is why this life has acquired this body. That is why the planet Earth, the stage was set, so that this cosmic energy can acquire this body and experience everything what Earth has to offer. That is the only aim of life. Celebrating life, celebrating different season, opening the eyes, looking at the rain, opening the eyes, looking at the trees, looking at the flowers, looking at the beauty, the delicacy of nature. This is why life has acquired this body, this life form. Same way, the same life has acquired all different life form. So they want to see the play, interplay between. That is the aim of the life. To celebrate what has been created by many generations. To celebrate, because once this life goes out of this body, your sensation goes. All the senses which is taking this input signal and feeling and experiencing, because when there is no body, you cannot experience anything, because all your touch, feel, smell, all these 5 senses are helping you to get this experience. That is the aim of life. To celebrate everything what we have. That is the aim of life. I hope I answered this. It's a big topic, but we can't do that today. And then the second question was death. Why do we fear death? I don't want to go into the depth of what death is and everything. All I can tell you that only the ignorance, because of our ignorance, we fear the death. Because when we were born in this life, the only certain thing anybody can say is the death. Death is the only certain thing. There is no other thing. It is fixed from the day you are born. From the day you are born, you are taking every step towards death. Every day passes by, you are one day closer to death. So that's not you have to fear the uncertainty, is not the certain thing, because death is certain. It is written from the day you are born. The only reason we fear the death, because of our ignorance. Instead of fearing the death, we need to fear that, am I wasting my life? Am I living, or I am dead before I am physically dead? Most of us, unfortunately, lives like a machine. Days come, days goes, weeks come, week goes, months come, month goes. There is no celebration, no joy in life. Somehow we have acquired this mental pattern where we do not celebrate life. We are just dragging one day after one day after one day after one day. Everything we do out of duty, out of responsibility. We don't do anything with the joy. The joy has gone, the smile has gone. We think like we are living, but we are merely surviving. One has to not fear death, because that's the certain thing. One day we have to go. One has to fear that this one chance which was given to me for 60 or 70 or whatever year, have I made a justice to that? Have I lived my life? Have I experienced everything why I had came here? When there was an interview done of almost 1,000 people who were dying at old age, they said, what do you regret now you are close to your death? They said, we don't regret anything which we have done in our life. We regret only one, things which we have never done. We kept postponing those things. So one don't have to worry about death. One has to worry about dying when they are alive. I hope again we answered your questions. These are big questions. One day I will make a big series out of this and try to answer these questions. But for today, I think that's enough, and I thank you from bottom of my heart again for lovely messages you send me. If you are online, please say hello so I know who are online. And we will end today's session with beautiful bhajan which is very close to my heart. I will be online for next 10 minutes and reading your comments, and we both sing this bhajan. It's not actually bhajan, it's aarti, but it's very close to my heart. And then if you have any question, write in comments. We would like to then explain that in next session. Also, please do let me know your feedback about our sessions, and most importantly, if it is helping in your day-to-day life, because the whole purpose of this session is to make your life blissful in day-to-day, to live more, think less. Let me know if that is helping. If not, that also let me know so that I can improve the sessions and put more effort into it, so that the aim of living and celebrating life every day we all can together achieve. I'm going to play bhajan. I will be online for next 10 minutes. And if you have question, please ask question. I will try to answer tomorrow. Otherwise, you can just say hello. And do share all the posts, do share all the videos so that we reach more and more people. Thank you so much, and let's sing a aarti together.
Om Jai Jagadish Hare, Swami Jai Jagadish Hare. भक्त जनों के संकट, दास जनों के संकट क्षण में दूर करे. ओम जय जगदीश हरे. जो ध्यावे फल पावे, दुख बिन से मन का. स्वामी दुख बिन से मन का. सुख संपत्ति घर आवे, सुख संपत्ति घर आवे. कष्ट मिटे तन का. ओम जय जगदीश हरे. मात पिता तुम मेरे, शरण गहूँ मैं किसकी. स्वामी शरण गहूँ मैं किसकी. तुम बिन और ना दूजा, तुम बिन और ना दूजा. आस करो स्वामी तुम अंतर्यामी, पार ब्रह्म परमेश्वर, पार ब्रह्म परमेश्वर, तुम सबके स्वामी। ओम जय जगदीश हरे। तुम करुणा के सागर, तुम पालन करता, स्वामी तुम पालन करता। मैं मूरख खल कामी, मैं सेवक तुम स्वामी, कृपा करो भरता। ओम जय जगदीश हरे। तुम हो एक अगोचर, सबके प्राणपति, स्वामी सबके प्राणपति। किस विध मिलूं दया में, किस विध मिलूं दया में, तुमको मैं कुमति। ओम जय जगदीश हरे। दीन बंधु दुख हरता, तुम ठाकुर मेरे, स्वामी तुम रक्षक मेरे। अपने हाथ उठाओ, अपनी शरण लगाओ, द्वार पड़ा मैं तेरे। ओम जय जगदीश हरे। विषय विकार मिटाओ, पाप हरो देवा, स्वामी कष्ट हरो देवा। श्रद्धा भक्ति बढ़ाओ, श्रद्धा प्रेम बढ़ाओ, संतन की सेवा। ओम जय जगदीश हरे। ओम जय जगदीश हरे। स्वामी जय जगदीश हरे। भक्त जनों के संकट, दास जनों के संकट, क्षण में दूर करे। ओम जय जगदीश हरे।